Welcome to Section 3, State Management and Routing. In this section, we will learn how to install Vuex and how we can add it to Vue instance. Similarly, we will also learn how to install vrouter and how we can add it to Vue instance. In this section, we will look into Vuex core concepts and their implementation. We will also learn how to use Vue routers and router links. In the end of this section, we will create a complete front-end application structure. In this video, we will learn how to install Vuex, vrouter, and adding them to Vue instance. So let's start with Vuex installation. To install Vuex, we have an option to direct download /cdn, or we can install it via npm. For direct download /cdn, we will use unpkg.com/vuex as a source for our script. All you have to do is include a script with the source unpkg.com/vuex, and this source will always point to the latest release version of the Vuex. If you wish to use any older version of the Vuex, you need to explicitly define it by typing @ and the version. Once you include the script, you can initialize the vue.store new instance and define your state and mutations. To install via npm, you have a command npm install vuex-save, which you need to execute in your project directory. Let's see that with an example. From your terminal, go to your project directory. Once you are in your project directory, you can install Vuex by typing npm install vuex-save. Once the installation is completed, it will create a new directory under Node Modules with the name Vuex. Once the Vuex is installed, you can use it in your script by typing script and its source, the Node Modules Vuex dist vuex.js. After including the script, you can initialize new Vuex store in your script file. Projects in which you have used Vue CLI to install Vue, you can import Vuex. After importing Vue, and then you must explicitly install Vuex via vue.use. Similarly, for vrouter installation, we can use direct download /cdn, or we can use npm. For the direct download /cdn, we will use unpkg.com distribution as well. You can include a script with the source of unpkg.com with vue-router/dist/vue-router.js. Once you include that to your script, you can initiate a new vuex.store. To install via npm, you need to execute command npm install vue-router in your project directory. Once the vue-router is installed, it will create a new directory with the name vue-router in your Node Modules. After that, you can include a script with a source from your Node Modules pointing to vue-router.js, and then you can utilize vue-router.js in your script files. For a project which you have installed Vue using CLI, you will have to import vue-router after importing Vue, and then you must explicitly install the router via vue.use.